Whenever he used to write, he used to begin with the Basmillah. And the ayah of Sulaiman, innahu min Sulaiman wa innahu Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, he said that he sent a letter and he began with the Basmillah. But why do we begin with the Bismillah? And some of the ulama have differed, and some of them said, the majority of the ulama said that we begin with Bismillah, or in its full form, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, out of isti'anah, seeking Allah's assistance. We are beginning our studies seeking Allah's assistance. I begin reciting the book seeking Allah's assistance. I begin my wudu, I begin my food, I begin all of these actions seeking Allah's assistance. Some of the ulama said we are seeking Allah's blessings. Others from the ulama have given different reasoning as to why we start with the Basmillah, so that it can become blessed, the action. But the majority of the ulama have said that it goes with the isti'anah, seeking Allah's assistance, because we need Allah's help to perform every single action. أسأل الله الكريم رب العرش العظيم أن يتولاك في الدنيا والآخرة.